Hello and welcome to Orchids 365. It's been a long time. I've been working really hard organizing my grow space and everything has been busy, but I took a second because I got myself some happy mail from Orchids by the Lake, and there's nothing better than after a long hard day of work arriving to a box of orchids. I don't know about you, but this makes my day. Oh, and the beautiful concert that my little bird friend is giving me. This is my little Renanthera Manachica seedling. I was not a good orchid mom with this one, and I neglected it. And when the lighting changed, I may have cooked it. So I went ahead and I bought myself a new one, and hoping to do better with it. This one's a teeny tiny seedling. It's gonna go in my greenhouse. She's so cute. I'm going to be good to this one. I'm going to try my best. And I'll take the tape off later. Okay, I'm gonna put this over here. Oh, that caught me by surprise. How cute. Oh, it's the little rhizome clip. Look how pretty. I was just telling them how adorable I thought it was. Thank you. This is very, very sweet. Look, it's a copper rhizome clip, and it has a beautiful little leaf and a flower on it. Super, super sweet. This is a Schilleriana Aglia 5 Estrellas. Beautiful name. And beautiful orchid. Hold on, let me put this in here. It's all gonna start flying away. Okay, sorry for that. Again, I'm gonna get stock pictures from Google or from their very own website if they have one, and I'm gonna show you what I got. Very pretty. Oof, looking forward to this one. Oh wow, look at the new growth and the pigmentation. Beautiful, beautiful. It's gonna be a pretty one to figure out if I'm gonna keep her in a pot or if I'm gonna mount. Let me hurry up and put the ID before it flies away. There you go. Very pretty. I could just be quiet and let the bird do all the talking, right? Look, it's singing there. Let me take this off. The other one is another pretty seedling that they have listed on their page. It's called La Beata September Mist. Very, very pretty flower. It's a seedling, but you know me. I don't mind growing them. Not at all. I mean, sometimes I do get a little impatient, but you know, it helps me learn to be patient. And new growth and new roots, very exciting for me. Okay. Super, super cute. Super cutie. So these are my 3 new additions and my adorable little rhizome clip. I think they're gonna have these available in their shop too, in their accessories. So this is it for today. I promise I'm gonna do a longer video. I have a lot of buds, a lot of things coming in that I want to show you, but I also have Nelson coming to visit this weekend. If the weather permits, he's gonna pass by, and I don't want to show you stuff now and then you're gonna see it again later in his video. So I'm gonna wait for his visit to show you what I have been working on back here in my grow space. So I'm gonna have to hydrate these babies. I'll see you guys soon, and I'll do a nice longer video for you. Thank you. Stay safe, be kind, happy growing, and maybe I'll see some of you this Saturday. I'll be there at Ophi's. Take care. Bye.